Why can selecting a PBE jobber based on price alone cost you more than you save in the long run? We're going to find out next. Today, shop managers alone choose the jobber, and their choice is often directly connected to upfront cash and/or big monthly discounts. These front office people look at refinished paint strictly as a commodity and the local jobber as a necessary evil. Many times, this leaves the production managers and the painters with lots of daily problems and no one to turn to for help. First, let's see what those upfront monies mean to the body shop over the long haul. Let's say the average US shop does about $750,000 to $800,000 per year in total collision repair volume. Let's imagine that the technicians in this shop are happy with their current paint brand. Here comes a new brand and new jobber with cash money in hand. How much money? Let's just say the shop is offered $25,000 cash upfront to switch paint brands and jobbers. The shop will likely have to sign a contract that says it will buy all of its supplies from this new jobber for a term of 5 years or until some specific dollar amount of materials has been purchased. The $25,000 figure over 5 years is $5,000 per year to secure the shop's business. The $5,000 per year is $416.67 per month, or $20.50 per working day. The national average door rate is about $50 per hour. So the shop has pledged its business to a certain paint brand and jobber vendor for the cost of a little less than a half an hour's labor per day. The deeper the discount deal, the bigger the check and the less the jobber can afford to provide service to the shop. While the lack of frequent delivery, in-shop training, inventory management, and problem solving mean little to the person paying the monthly shop material bill from the front office, it often means a real headache for the painter and a decline in overall shop production output. The $25,000 windfall sounded like a lot of money, and it is, but over 5 years, a $20 a day discount won't go very far to ensure the shop's success. Success isn't about saving material costs, it's about increasing production efficiency. Increasing production in this same shop is a more reliable road to long-term success. About 45 to 50% of a body shop sales is typically labor time. Using a middle value of 47%, this $775,000 per year shop sold $364,250 worth of labor. Per month, it sold about $30,000 of labor, so a 10% increase in production efficiency is $3,000 more each month, $36,000 more each year, and $180,000 more over 5 years. Clearly, a smart shop owner wants both the paint discount and the production increase. A good vendor partner can help them get there. Good jobbers know that if the body shop produces more work, it will buy more paint and supplies. Good jobbers work every day to make sure its customers don't spend any more money than necessary on paint and materials. Profitable body shop customers have money to pay their bills on time and are much less likely to switch vendors for an additional discount. A productive synergy is created when your jobber helps make your shop more profitable. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.